A blue sock with white polka dots was about to live the most incredible adventure of its life. In the most forgotten corner of an old laundry, Polka felt alone and abandoned. He had lost his pair a long time ago, and his heart longed for a home, a friend, something more than the cold and dark world of lost socks. One night, while the laundry slept, Polka decided he would wait no longer. With a brave little hop, he slid between the huge machines and overflowing baskets of clothes. The outside world was immense and terrifying. Each step was a challenge, each shadow a mystery. Polka trembled, but his desire to find something special was stronger than his fear. He passed by gardens with giant flowers that seemed to watch him, and streets where cars rolled like enormous metal beasts. Would he ever find his place in the world? A playful wind pushed him towards a park where trees whispered ancient secrets. There he met Button, a curious ladybug who had never seen a sock up close. "What are you doing so far from home?" Button asked with her bright eyes. Polka told his story of loneliness, of how he longed to find a purpose, a friend, something more than being a simple lost sock. Together, they decided to embark on a journey. Button would fly above Polka, guiding him through unknown landscapes. They passed by a rainbow bridge where the rainbow seemed to rest and bordered a crystal lake that reflected impossible dreams. Suddenly, a storm appeared. Thunders roared like angry giants, and rain fell furiously. Polka thought his adventure had ended, that he would be crushed by the immensity of the world. But Button did not abandon him. The little ladybug covered him with her wings, protecting him from the storm. Together, she whispered, "We can overcome any challenge." When the sun shone again, they discovered something extraordinary. They were near a house where clothes were hanging, and among all the garments, there was a sock identical to Polka. The twist came in the most unexpected way. The twin sock was not his original pair, but someone completely new. A red sock with a hole in the heel that had also escaped from another laundry. "I'm Patch," the new sock introduced himself. "I never fit in anywhere." Polka smiled, understanding that perfection was not necessary to find a home. The three friends continued their journey. Button told stories about other insects, Polka shared his fears, and Patch laughed with each adventure. They arrived at a secret garden where flowers danced and snails built tiny cities. It was a magical place where the different found their place. One day, while sleeping under a giant leaf, they heard a conversation that would change everything. A girl was looking for the perfect sock for an art project. Would they be the chosen ones? Would they finally find their purpose? Hope shone brighter than ever in their hearts. The girl found them. She was not looking for a perfect sock, but one with a story, with a soul. And Polka, Patch, and Button were perfect. In her art studio, the girl transformed them, not into an ordinary sock, but into a masterpiece that told a story of friendship, courage, and transformation. Together, they created a magical tapestry that narrated their incredible journey. Each point, each seam, each detail told their story of overcoming. The girl's family was amazed. A simple lost sock had become something extraordinary. Polka understood that it didn't matter where you came from, but where you decided to go. That friendship could arise in the most unexpected places. Button fluttered happily, proud of her sock friend. Patch had found his place in the world. Moral: true beauty is not in being perfect, but in finding your unique place in the world. Subscribe and activate the bell for more magical stories that will take you to incredible worlds.